How to do Parivrtta Trikonasana, twisted triangle pose. You're standing here taking a gap of 3.5 feet to 4 feet distance. Make sure you're pressing your foot firmly on the ground, lifting your kneecap, lifting your thighs. You hold the waist, roll the shoulders, open up your chest. Extend your left arm up towards the ceiling and start turning towards the right side. Feel like someone is pulling your left arm towards the right side. Keep bending, and then finally take your palm on the block. Now, keep on twisting your spine. Try to bring your shoulders in a line. Be more firm on the back leg. Don't bend the knee. Make them straight. And then at very last, you are taking your right arm towards the ceiling. Keep looking towards the right side. And at very last, look up. Go into Parivrtta Trikonasana.